Okay, welcome to a quick video tutorial on how to install Python under Windows. So we're going to start by visiting the Python website, python.org. Then we're going to go to downloads and we're just going to choose this download. It might not be exactly the same version if you're doing this at a later date, but it will be whatever the primary download is available here. This tutorial is just aimed at beginners. If you're trying to install multiple versions of Python, please think carefully about how you're going to do this. So we've got a default place here. We're going to include idle pip and documentation, but we're just going to do a couple of things. We do want to make sure we check add Python to the path. So we've got everything there. Next. And we're going to pre-compile a standard library. We're going to install it for all users. You may not want to do that. It depends on your use case. And we're going to install debugging symbols. Once you've got that set, we go to next. You can change that if you want. That adding Python to the path is an important step, and it's something we're going to have to check has been done correctly after we've installed Python. I'm just going to pause while it finishes. Okay, so the main installation has finished. However, there is this little bit here. Whether that is important will depend on how you've got things configured. I'm going to say yes because I know I need that. It shouldn't do any harm. Okay, so that's got Python primarily installed. We can test it by coming to the start menu and looking for idle. And it's found idle. File, new file. Of course, we'll have to save this. Just call it test. Okay, now we're just going to do a very quick print. Run and run module. Perfect. Okay, so that is all we need to actually set up Python initially. What we are going to do is look to make sure it has updated that path statement correctly. So what we're looking for is the environmental variables. And once it's opened, we're going to click in here. And we're looking for a path statement. Edit. It's not in that one, which means it's hopefully gone into the system one. Edit that. And there we go. We can see that it's added that line and that line, which is the location we said in the installer we were going to install Python to, and it's added both of those to the system path. That should enable other programs to find it, and that's going to be covered in the next video when we actually look at configuring PyCharm, Visual Studio and VS Code. Thank you. Bye.